Looking for a career college that puts you first? Welcome to the Academy of Learning Career College, a leader in career-focused education and part of one of Canada's largest career college networks. Our integrated learning system is designed for your success. With one-on-one support, student-centered training, and competency-based lessons, you'll master skills at your own pace. Every lesson has a clear goal, and if you need more time, simply review and reinforce your understanding before moving forward. No advanced computer skills? No problem. Our programs are accessible, flexible, and ready when you are. Whether you're upgrading your skills or starting a new career, AOLCC gives you the tools to succeed on your terms. Ready to take control of your future? Enroll today and discover why thousands of students trust AOLCC to launch their careers. Your journey starts here. Visit us now and begin your path to success. Start today.